everybody, Danny here. Let's head on over to Easel and put some tree holes in, okay? I'll meet you there. And here we go. Okay, we made some of our tree color back here, remember? Okay, and what we're doing is we're just dabbling a little here, a little there, just to darken it up. But we're also coming in here and we're just taking some areas in the tree here, you see, to give it the appearance of having leaves and branches and stuff like that. Okay, this is how we give our tree some life. These are known as tree holes. Okay, they're just tree holes, and we actually need those things here and there and there and here in the tree to make room for branches and things like that. Okay, now we're going to come over here. We're just going to darken this in a little here and there like that. So we've got some lighter and some darker areas in our background trees, like that, just like that. Now all of a sudden, the tree now has form. It has places for there to be branches. Now next time, we're going to add some branches in here, and you'll see what I mean when I say our tree has now taken on a life of its own. Okay, so be with me tomorrow. Like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, leave comments. And for goodness sakes, remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. And there we go. Tree holes are in. Now tomorrow, we'll do some more work with some branches and stuff like that. Okay? See you tomorrow, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you.